In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Bitcoin wallet on Cash App. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to download and install Cash App. Now after installing, simply open the app and sign in with your phone number or email. So if you're a new user, follow the prompts to create a new account. Now tap on the profile icon in the home screen, scroll down and select Personal, and enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. Now follow the prompts to complete the identification or identity verification process. So this might take some time as Cash App needs to verify your information. Now you want to enable Bitcoin transactions. So once your identity is verified, tap the Investing tab on the home screen. Now select Bitcoin and tap Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. Now follow the instructions to verify your identity further, which might include submitting additional documentation or taking a photo of your ID. Now you want to add a payment method, so link a debit card or bank account to your Cash App by tapping the Banking tab and following the prompts to add a bank account. Now, once your Bitcoin wallet is enabled, now you can buy Bitcoin. So tap the Investing tab, select Bitcoin, and tap Buy. Now enter the amount you wish to purchase and confirm the transaction. Now you can also withdraw your Bitcoin. So to withdraw, simply tap on the Banking tab and then Bitcoin. Tap Withdraw Bitcoin and enter the amount you want to withdraw. And enter the external Bitcoin address you want to send your Bitcoin to and confirm the withdrawal. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.